Hi, this is Art with OCRV in Yorba Linda, California. Here we have a Winnebago, it's a Ram van conversion, and as you can see, it took some pretty good damage on the side there. So this is something that we specialize in. Since we build these vans from the ground up, we're also very good at meticulously taking them apart for the repairs. You can see it's a lot of work. Upper cabinets, side cabinets, to remove this for access to replace this panel. Then you come around on the outside here. You can see we've removed the panel. We have some inner structure damage here. So this rocker panel, this is all basically the frame on this vehicle, is pushed in. We're actually setting up this jig bench right now for it. We have two ways to fix these. Either this drive up car bench, and then also another jig system as well. So this vehicle goes up on this bench easy, and that way we can do these frame corrections and then weld on the new panels, and then it goes into the finished bodywork and paint process. And if you walk around here, there's a vehicle right here, Sprinter van, that had similar damage on the other side here. So now this is out of paint. This panel was replaced, and you can see all the seam sealing looks perfect, factory. And now we're doing a little color sand and buff on it, reinstall the glass, reassemble this van, and get it back to our customer. So if you've got any Sprinter work, Class B, motorhome repair, service, we do alignment, ADAS recalibration, interior upgrades on any from Class A to Class B motorhomes. We're happy to help. Come see us at OCRV Center in Yorba Linda, California.